Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and at least in this configuration we've got the option tab right here on the right. So here on the third position from the top we've got the timer applied, so let's simply tap on it, and as you can see in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, I believe 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option I'd like to use. I will choose 10 seconds, and as you can see the icon will change slightly, which means that we can always check whether we've got the timer set or not, which is a really nice touch because at least we will not be really surprised after tapping on the shutter button. And that's all we have to do right now. So let's tap on it, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, there we've got it. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just tap on this timer without any countdown, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.